Okay, I'm recording.
Huh?
Introduce yourself.
I'm Trent. I love Angie a lot.
Is that it?
Yes.
That's all I need to know about you?
Yeah. That's all that matters. I like basketball a lot. I'm terrible at geology. I have to go to work. I really have to pee right now. I like to drink water. Sodas are bad for you. Just got a text message. And I want to kiss Angie right now. Like she has a $6,000 camera in her hand. And I don't want to break it. Although $6,000, kiss is definitely worth $6,000. So